Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for this brown sugar glazed ham. It's going to be a very simple basic recipe, and this is the way that my family loves their ham. So let me jump straight into the recipe and show you all how it's made. So here I have my piece of ham. It's 15 pounds. And what I like to do is I like to boil it for 15 minutes before I actually bake it. So it's going as you can see, the pot is small, right? So I'm going to boil it on one side and then I'll flip it over, boil the other side, and when the other side is finished boiling, a total of 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, you want to take it out and place it into a baking pan. Next, I'm going to add in a few cloves. You can place as much or as little cloves as you like, and if you don't like cloves, just omit it. I'm putting on some pineapple rings and securing that into place with a toothpick. So just one on each side will hold the rings, and then you're going to take your cherries, place it in the middle of the ring and secure that also with your toothpick. And you're going to need a lot of toothpicks for this. So I'm going to be putting the pineapples and cherries on the entire piece of ham, and once I've done that, I'm going to just set it aside. In a saucepan, I'm adding in pineapple juice. If you don't have pineapple juice, you can use water for this. And to that, I'm going to add in my brown sugar. And place it on your stove and allow that sugar to melt and bring it up to a simmer. Don't let it get too thick. We just want it to be like a simple syrup. So now I'm going to place my ham into my Traeger, which is like a big oven. So if you don't have one of these, you can use your oven, and you're going to put your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm just going to pour that glaze all over the ham. This glaze is so simple, but just full of tons of flavor. So you guys can switch it up and add more seasonings or whatever you want to your ham, but this is the way I said that we like it. So this goes to bake. It will take a total of 2 hours in total to bake. I like to make sure that it's properly cooked on the inside. So as it's baking, I like to go in and take that juice, all of those juices that's coming off of the ham, and keep basting the ham. This is going to add more flavor to the ham. So I would say maybe every 15 minutes you want to baste it. It keeps it nice and moist. And you'll notice as it's baking that syrup in the pan is going to get darker. Look at it here. And that's what's going to give you that really beautiful color on your ham. And that's it. Once it's finished baking, you can go ahead and take it out and allow it to cool down properly before you cut into it. If you try to cut into it when it's hot, all of the juices would come out and you're going to get a very dry ham. So let the juices redistribute and then cut into your ham. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make it with hops bread or coconut bake. Comment, let me know if you like my simple recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.